Hello, everyone out there. How is everyone doing? Hope each and every one of us got a chance to get together with our family members and friends. We're enjoying the holiday season. If you celebrate Christmas, hope that went well. If you don't, well, at least you got a chance to get together with family members or friends. So if this is the first time you're coming to this channel, my name is Sherma. You're welcome. And again, to all my returning subscribers and visitors, I appreciate each and every one, as I always point out. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead, subscribe. It's free. It wouldn't cost you anything. And don't forget to like this video. I want to first, before I go any further, appreciate the fact that people have been stopping by and continuously following me on this journey. My YouTube channel has grown slowly but surely. I'm now over 500 subscribers. Yes, I currently have about 564 subscribers. I am grateful. I am absolutely grateful. I can't thank each and every one of you enough. I am truly grateful. Okay, so let's continue to grow this channel. Continue to like the videos. That helps with the growth. Okay. What I'm going to be doing is, of course, this is the end of the month review. So I'm going to go over my spreadsheet so you can get a total amount, or you get an idea of my total amount of shares for each position that I hold in my portfolio. Again, I use Wealthsimple, zero commission for investing using this platform or this brokerage to invest in the Canadian securities market. You can invest in U.S. securities, but of course there could be an exchange rate fee. Okay, so I would suggest and recommend, if you're a Canadian investor, have a look at Wealthsimple. I haven't regretted it so far. All right, so I will continue to use this platform. Now, in the middle of January, I will do a sit down video. I will show my face again, where I get to review how I have done throughout the year, because the year for this investment journey of mine for the first year ends in mid-January, because I began this investment journey mid-January of this year. So I'll do it mid-January next year, my year-end video. So please look forward to that. Okay, so let's begin here. So you can see here that the different sectors here, and again, I started with Manulife Financial Corp. I currently have 31 shares, followed with Kenross Gold. I have 43 shares. Power Corp, I have 5 shares, and I really do have to focus on Power Corp. I need to start increasing this position as much as possible. I think it has a really good chance of continuing to grow. It's fairly diversified in the areas that it covers, or its tentacles stretch out to. But and of course, Wealthsimple being one of its subsidiaries. So I really look forward to pushing myself to grow this position. Okay, following that, I have Absolute Software Corp. I have 80 shares. CloudMD Software and Services Inc., 100 shares. Wealth Health Technology Corp., 61 shares. Green Lane Renewables Inc., 401 shares. TransAlta Renewable Inc., 31 shares. H2O Innovation Inc., 62 shares. Algonquin Power and Utilities, I have 41 shares. Good Natured Products, I have 530 shares. Burcon Nutrascience Corp, I have 58 shares. TELUS, I have 10 shares. Now I need to focus on this position also, on increasing it, because I haven't added to this position in a while. Following that, I have Dividend 15 Split Corp, 148 shares. I have Harvest Healthcare Leaders Inc. I have 102 shares. Psychedelic or Horizon Psychedelic Index, I have 40 shares. I did add one share to this position since my last update. Also for DFN, the Dividend Split Corp, I did add another share, which brought it up to the 148. Following that, I have BMO Canadian High Dividend Covered Call. I have 21 shares. I have BMO Covered Call Utilities ETF. I have 77 shares. Then I have Interrent Real Estate Investment Trust. I have 20 shares. And RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust, 13 shares. So those are my overall positions and their standing in my portfolio. Again, this past month or so has been pretty up and down. So I've taken advantage of the dips. I'd say for the last 2 weeks or so, I tried to reduce the amount of money I put into my each position. I just want to see how far it will continue to the the position or the cost of each share will continue to drop. All right, and then I'll try and go in a lot heavier. But I did, of course, continue to take advantage of the dip. Okay, so I didn't stay away altogether. But that's my position. For this coming year, I may look at repositioning some of my positions. But we'll see how that goes. I'll further expand on that on my last my video in the next 2 weeks. Okay, so here's my sector and my portfolio weight in the financial commodity sector. It makes up 13.8% of my portfolio. Technology makes up 13.94%. Energy 12.66%. Utilities 7.79%. Manufacturing industry 4.3%. Biotech life services 0.97%. Communications makes up 3.7%. My fund my index funds also makes up 12.22%. ETFs make up 25.67%. And my REITs make up 6.57%. Okay, so as I said in past videos, I want to try and get most of my positions to be about anywhere between 7 and 10%, make up the 7 to 10% of my portfolio. And my ETFs, of course, will be about 20 to 25%. So that's my aim. Okay, so let's scroll down and we'll have a look at my pie chart, which gives us a nice visual of what I just went over my portfolio weight. Okay, so I like the pie charts. It's really nice visual to my eyes. I'm a person that likes to see things visually. That really moves me. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll over, and this pie chart really reviews the percentage of each stock position, what it makes up. Okay, so here we can see this. This is the breakdown. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll over. All right, so let's go back up here. And on the top, this covers my investment account contribution. And in my Wealthsimple portfolio, I have two accounts. I have a TFSA and I have a cash account. but I haven't invested anything in the cash account, only in the TFSA. So for the month of December, I invested $195. So we start with January. I opened up the account with $1,800. Then in February, I invested $498. March, $955. April, $570. May, $1,510. June, $1,456. July, I invested $445. August, $805. September, $680. October, $1,125. November, $540. And December, $195. So that's my investment for the year of 2021. Okay, so that totals $10,579. That's my total investment for the year. All right, so I'll scroll down here, and again you see the bars, which just give you again a nice visual of your investments. My investment for the year, you can see that it shows January being the largest and December coming in with the smallest. All right, so we scroll over again and we can see here our dividends, portfolio dividends. So for the month of January and February, I invested in dividend paying stocks that were paid out quarterly. So that's why I didn't get any dividend payouts for January and February. But then in March, I got $2.81, April, $8.25, May, $7.80, June, $12.30, July, $25.35, August, $18.62, September, $29.74, October, $35.50, November, $35.46, and in December I received $43.75. So you can see that every month my dividend payout increased because of course I focused as much as possible to invest it in dividend paying stocks, and I will continue to do so. So the aim for next year is to try and double every month. That's what I'm going to be trying to do. Okay. And we scroll down and we see the pie charts again. Not the pie charts, but the bars. Right. So in March, or in January, February, you see that I didn't get anything. And in March, just slowly, with a dip here in August. But by and large, it increased month after month. Okay, so that is my spreadsheet for the year. Right? Again, I love the spreadsheet because it really lays out everything for me nicely so I can see it visually. So coming January, I expect for my quarterly payout stocks, I expect to get a payout from Algonquin and TELUS, of course, with the monthly paying dividend stocks. So those are the companies that are going to be paying quarterly. Okay, so of course I should state that for the year, my total dividend payout was $219.50. So that's not too bad for the first year to get a total payout of $219.58. Okay, so that's my update for my spreadsheet for the month of December. Thank you, each and every one of you that stayed till the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. What do you think about my progression for the year? What pointers would you like to leave for me or suggestions? Let me know in the comments below so that we could all start out the new year on a nice new trajectory. Okay? So thank you again. Like this video. I appreciate when you do that. Subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you would be alerted every time I upload a video. Okay. Of course, again, I want to thank you so much to everyone that's helping this channel grow. And so for the next couple of months, I'm hoping that everybody joins me to take this channel to a subscription level of 1,000 and more subscribers. Okay, we can do this together. Everything is possible. Okay, so bye and see you in the next one.